Hi, everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you our new necklace collection. This collection of custom snap button necklaces would make perfect statement jewelry for today's teen girls or fashion ladies. They feature unique and fancy nature-themed button-style pendants. Further, the button pendant also allows you to imprint vibrant, lasting sublimation images. So you can add any favorite photo design or your initial to create a one and only statement necklace that best expresses your personality. The alloy pendant of each necklace comes in a unique, exquisite nature object design, such as sunflower, Christmas tree, and eagle wings. Also, the vivid nature design pendant is inlaid with a little round sublimatable snap button that allows you to imprint any favorite photo design or your initial. Each necklace comes with 2 button caps for sublimation printing, so you can change the look of your necklace freely. This collection of custom snap button necklaces comes in 8 beautiful nature-themed designs, including lovely flowers, powerful eagle wings, and splendid turquoise pearl. Each design expresses a unique personality. These button pendant necklaces allow you to imprint your favorite photo or initials to create a one-of-a-kind personalized button necklace. The unique, exquisite, custom snap button necklace would make a perfect memorial jewelry gift for yourself or your beloved one. Next, let me tell you how to sublimate it. It's very easy. That's it for today's introduction. If you have any questions, please contact us. And please don't forget to subscribe to us. Here are the latest and hottest sublimation product recommendations. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.